Because in my constituency of Bangalore, there was absolute normalcy, which is why I went and celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi, which is why I went and I was with the people. If you and a certain section, if a certain section of the Congress party, if the Congress party and a certain section of vested interests want to give an impression that all of Bangalore is flooded, when that is not the case, when only 5% of the Bengaluru area was in effect, what do you want us to do? This is a conspiracy to defame Bangalore. This is a conspiracy to defame our government. Our Chief Minister has been relentlessly working the last 38 hours, 48 hours to clear all of these issues.
So you are saying the citizens on ground who have suffered damages and losses have launched a conspiracy against the government?
I am saying it is by the Congress party and a certain vested sections.
And the voice of the people who have
Do you not understand what I say, madam? I said the Congress party and certain vested interests have made efforts to defame brand Bengaluru. It is our city.